guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi, and you're watching RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. And if you're here for the first time, I want to welcome you guys to my channel. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button right down below. If you love pumpkin a lot, then you just came to the right episode. It's fall, and you crave pumpkin everything. Stick around for the end of this video because I will have the breakdown calories of this awesome pumpkin spice latte. You head down to a well-known coffee shop. You know, the one that has some funky looking mermaid picture on the front of the logo or whatever on the cup. Well, you know what I'm talking about. You order one of these delicious dessert pumpkin spice latte drinks and find that the taste is not exactly what you're looking for. Well, you're in luck because what we're going to be doing right here today is we're going to make our very own pumpkin spice latte at the convenience of your own home without having to break your bank or your wallet for that matter. After spending about $25 to $35 a week on pumpkin spice lattes, you had enough. So we're gonna make this right here at home with just a few ingredients. And trust me, you're gonna be saving a latte money after this. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Time to get our pumpkin bash on. So let's start off. We're gonna be using nothing but organic ingredients for this recipe. We got ourselves 1 cup of 2% low-fat organic milk. We've got 1 cup of organic half and half. Put it inside the saucepan. We're gonna bring it up to a slight boiling heat. Take 3 tablespoons of organic pumpkin puree. 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. In a saucepan over medium heat, combine all these ingredients together. Do not let it reach to a boiling point. If you want, you can also make a vegan version of this by substituting the dairy for almond or coconut milk. And now you're ready to pour into your favorite mug. Add 2 ounces of espresso or use strong coffee. Then add the rest of your pumpkin latte. Top it off with whipped cream and a sprinkle of ground nutmeg. Hello, pumpkin spice latte. And here it is. We're about to drink it up. This is so good. This is like having a pumpkin pie, but as a drink. And the pumpkin, it's perfect. It's not overpowering. The milk, the nutmeg, the vanilla. It's such a beautiful flavor together. You guys need to try this. I'm telling you, you won't be sorry for this one. And now for the nutritional facts. Starbucks' pumpkin spice latte at a whopping 300 calories, 11 grams of fat, 40 grams of carbohydrates, and 11 grams of protein. Now let's compare that with a homemade RockinRaffi version of this pumpkin spice latte. Per serving, we've got ourselves 270 calories, 15 grams of fat, 23 grams of carbohydrates, and we got ourselves 8 grams of protein. So that just wraps up today's episode. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you think of this pumpkin spice latte recipe. And don't forget to share with your friends and family. And most importantly, that bell. Go ahead and click on that bell so that you're notified when my next videos upload. And until next time, keep on rocking.